Velar plosives ka and ga. Ka and ga are velar plosives since the sound happens at the velum, also called the soft palate. Ka is unvoiced and is the counterpart to the voiced ga. To make the ka sound, open the mouth, lift the back of the tongue, push the tongue against the back of the throat, and then let the tongue down with a puff of air. Air is briefly prevented from leaving the vocal tract when the back of the tongue lifts and presses against the soft palate. The sound is aspirated when the air is released. To make the ga sound, do as you do with ka, but this time voice the sound. Notice that the place of production of these velar plosives, ka and ga, changes depending on the type of vowels. When they are followed by back vowels, for example, u and these velars are pronounced normally, that is, in the back of the mouth. However, when they are followed by front vowels, for example, e and I, they are produced somewhere in the middle or in the front of the mouth. For example, keep, kim, versus cool, cook. Several alphabet letters can make the ka sound: K, CK, C, CH, X, QU, or QUE. K spelling: kid, thinking, bake. CK spelling: back, sick, truck. C spelling: cart, cool, caught. X spelling: the X is pronounced as a K plus S sound. Fix, fox, next, box. CH spelling: chorus, choir, ache, chaos, school. QU spelling: the QU is pronounced as a K plus W sound. Quit, quiet, quick, question, queen. When the QUE spelling is at the end of the word, it is pronounced as only a K sound. For example, antique, unique. These are minimal pairs of ka and ga. Came, game. Card, guard. Class, glass. Cold, gold. Could, good. Cave, gave. Clean, glean. Cot, got. Crate, great. Crease, grease. Cap, gap. Cash, gash. Coast, ghost. Coat, goat. Come, gum. Con, gone. Crab, grab. Cram, gram. Creek, Greek. Crepe, grape. Crew, grew. Crow, grow. Curly, girly. Cut, gut. Kill, gill. Cane, gain. Clad, glad. Clamor, glamour. Clue, glue. Cod, god. Crane, grain. Crease, grease. Creed, greed. Crime, grime. Krill, grill. Cape, gape. Core, gore. Crate, grate. Crowned, ground. Crumble, grumble. Cunning, gunning. Curd, gird. Cust, gust. Kale, gale. In the following pairs, ka and ga appear at the end of the words. When this happens, it can be hard to hear which phoneme is used. The vowel length is the key. The vowel sound is longer with the voiced ga than with the voiceless ka. Back, bag. Pick, pig. Clock, clog. Dock, dog. Duck, dug. Frock, frog. Muck, mug. Block, blog. Brick, brig. Buck, bug. Crack, crag. Jock, jog, lack, lag, leak, league, lock, log, luck, lug, pluck, plug, rack, rag, sack, sag, smock, smog, snack, snag, tack, tag, chuck, chug, flock, flog, hack, hag, hawk, hog, jack, jag, knack, nag, puck, pug, shack, shag, snuck, snug, stack, stag, tuck, tug, whack, wag, wick, wig, ka, ga sentences. These are sentences with ka and ga. The dog in the jacket can lick the girl on the back. Kick the big green ball. The big cake cooled in the kitchen. The school chorus will sneak in a pig for the Queen of England. Get a clean fork from the sink. Please be quiet so I can ask you a quick question.